What has man got to do? He has got to get back. He has got to get back his free will. You, the individual man or woman, have got to be able to withdraw at will back from existence into life, so that you can know at any moment there is no death. The fear of death is the curse of life. When you no longer fear death because you have become one with life within, you no longer fear living and no longer are confused. And when we don't fear living and are not confused anymore, we don't have to be selfish and exploitive of one another, as we now are nation to nation, community to community, person to person, even to those we love. You must stop running. Stop trying to work things out. There's nothing to work out. Slow down inside. Face up to the truth of existence, not just the fact of it. Enough's enough. How is this done? It is done by being stiller, by giving up your dependence on what your little mind thinks it knows. All that man has lost is his stillness, his simplicity, his ability to listen and to hear. His little mind has filled his little memory with the useless things of existence and has blotted out his eternal memory of the truth of life, his own source, the sweet, simple awareness of immortality. You must do what you have to do in the world. That is not the problem. The problem is restlessness. And that's only not knowing what you want. I'll tell you now what you want. You want stillness. And that's the end of restlessness. Listen. Listen to the truth wherever it can be heard. The truth creates stillness. Listen to the silence in yourself. Listen to this truth until its energy is yours. Hold the images in your mind without movement or thought. Above all, hold the one idea, the point within the obscurity. If it takes months, years, nothing is lost. All the time you are becoming stiller. There is no other way. Stillness is the way. Stillness alone can overcome the will's invincible pull to die into existence. Only stillness can return to the idea of life and love within. We are not here for our spacesuits. Human nature and human intelligence do not run the earth. They have merely ruined existence. Like a child getting its experience in a playpen, they have made an awful mess. But it's nothing that won't be cleaned up. We are here for the earth. We are here for life. We are here to be cosmically intelligent. When enough of us are cosmically intelligent, we will open the earth to cosmic life and participate in that inconceivable reality. Goodbye. I am here to help you.